How to permanently delete your Facebook account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on this gear icon at the top right corner, and then head over to see more in Account Center. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then tap on Account. Select Account Ownership and Control at the bottom, and then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Choose your Facebook account. Choose Delete Account and then click on Continue. Once again, click on Continue. Choose the reason why you want to leave or delete your Facebook, and then tap on Continue. Once again, click on Continue. Scroll all the way down and then tap on Continue once again. Enter the password of your Facebook account. Once done, your account will be deactivated and then it will be deleted after 30 days. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.